Hello guys, welcome to my first Blender tutorial. Well, my second Blender tutorial actually. The first one was about Oswald, so now we're gonna learn how to make a spring. You know, spring, I don't know, you spell it like S-P-R-A-N-G, I think. And first you have to add a circle and set the vertices to 64 because we want it to be smooth and realistic. And now rotate it. And after you do that, you want to go do this and create the shape of the spring like this. You want to make sure that it resembles a spring. So let me select the vertices in here. And yeah, so I wanna say that I'm gonna be busy the next few days because I'm writing a project, and yeah, I'm on a writing project, and so far I've been doing really good. It's about I don't know, I'm not gonna really talk about it, but anyways, now you just follow the shape like of a sphere, you know. That's all you have to do. And as you follow the circle, make sure to rotate it to fit the shape. Now as you see, this looks very smooth. After you finish your spring like this, set it to smooth and apply subdivision surface and put it at you. And after you apply, here's your spring. As you can see, when you stretched it like this, well, you can just add a ray modifier, and like this you can make the loop of the spring like this. This is your have fun with your Blender spring. And if you want more realism, apply another subdivision surface, and here you go. Very smooth, and you can barely notice the edges and stuff. So yeah, leave a like and please subscribe.